everyone, today I'm so excited to show you how I create this super cute ghost doodle page. I always start with a clean sheet of paper. First, we're going to write the title doodles in some fun cursive letters at the top. The key is just taking your time and making sure each letter flows into the next one. It's all about that smooth motion for a really nice finish. Okay, now it's time for our first little character. Let me show you how easy these are to draw. We'll begin by sketching out his basic shape, a simple circle for the head, and an oval body underneath. Then add two arms coming down from the sides, giving him a friendly wave. And don't forget those tiny feet. Next up, let's draw his hat. Just sketch a simple triangle shape, sitting right on top of his head. Add two little ears sticking out from either side, and he needs a cute face, two dots for eyes, and a smiley mouth. For our second ghost, we'll start with a different style. Let me show you how to create this adorable little guy holding a paintbrush. He starts off looking kind of like a blob, or a cloud, then add a wavy line across the middle for his body. Now, for those classic arms and legs, make them short and chunky, giving him a very playful vibe. A few more details will bring him to life, a happy expression. Maybe even a party hat if you want to be extra festive. You can also give him a little tail coming off the back. See, he looks so fun and ready to go. Alright, moving on to character number 3. This one is going to have a totally different personality. Let's make her a bit rounder and chubbier. Start with a big circle for the main part of her body. Then, instead of hands, she gets these super cute paws. Add in a sweet little bow tie detail too. To finish her off, we need a cute face, two large friendly looking eyes, and a simple curved line for her smiling mouth. Look at her. She's almost done. Now it's time to color her in using your favorite markers. So first I'm taking a light peach marker and carefully coloring in her entire body. Be gentle with the pressure. We don't want any harsh lines showing through, so take your time filling in each section evenly. Once the base color is applied, we can move on to adding highlights. Grab a lighter shade of orange for this step. Just gently blend that highlight into the existing color. This creates a nice gradient effect that gives her dimension. This technique works great for making things look soft and fluffy, which is exactly what we want for our little ghosts. See how that subtle shading brings her whole design together? It adds so much depth without being complicated. Almost finished with her. For the final touch, use a darker orange to outline her features and define her form. And there she is, our third completed ghost friend. So easy, right? Of course, no page would be complete without a spooky witch. Let's quickly fill in her purple hat and broomstick. Finally, let's add some spots to our snowman ghost. Use whatever colors you love best. And here they are, all finished.